Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Rose, or as my username says, Baby Roses. Today I am going to show you my haul that I got, and we are going to do an unboxing for the Lumix GX85. I already opened it before I filmed, but I tried to put everything back the way that I found it, so bear with me. During Cyber Monday, there was a sale going on where it had the whole kit with the camera and a lot of other things, and I'll put the link down below that I got. Of course, the price might not be the same anymore. It might have gone up because this was a special. And let's go ahead and get on with it. One box is going to be the Lumix GX85. And first thing that's gonna be in the box is, of course, the manual and everything else. So all of this, and there's different languages as well, such as Spanish. So there's that. And then there is also the telephoto lens, and this one is the 45 to 150, and it comes with this as well. And then the next thing in the box is this. So this is a lanyard. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you so you can see. And this is how it looks like. It also comes with a charger. So this is a micro USB charger, and the plug as well. And last but not least, we have the camera, which is nicely and securely packed. And this is how it looks like. Dun dun dun. I am so excited to play around with this. That is the unboxing for the Lumix GX85, and of course, like I said, this came with the whole kit, and along with the camera, let's put the box away, it came with a whole bunch of other stuff. So we have this first bag, and first thing is you have memory card holders. And then next thing is gonna be an SD card reader. So I can go ahead and open this for you guys too. So this is how it looks like. This is where you put your memory card, and then you would attach it USB 3 onto your, USB 2.0 onto your computer. And also over here you can put the micro SD cards in there. The next thing would be this. So it's a precision 37 to 58 millimeter step up adapter ring, and you are gonna need this with the lens that the extra lens that it came with, the wide angle lens, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then there is the universal LCD screen protector, which I am going to put on today. You have an image recall flash fixers, which you can take a look at it. Didn't really take a look at it. And then it also comes with a 64GB memory card. It comes with a cleaning kit for your camera, filter kit. So this filter kit comes with UV protective filter, circular blur polarizer filter and fluorescent filter, and the filter wallet. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is a filter wallet, and then you have all the different types of filter here, which is really cool. The HDMI to micro HDMI adapter, so you can plug it into your TV, etc. Another UV filter. UV filters are good to bring out colors, and it also protects your lens. It comes with the precision lens kit. So it's a wide angle and telephoto lens kit, and inside comes with this, instructions, and then it looks like that. Telephoto lens. This is the wide angle, and then on the bottom here is a macro. Last but not least, you have the adapters. I can do another video if you guys want me to show you guys how to put it onto your Lumix GX85. So there's all of the small stuff, and then it also comes with a really small bag, and I can open up inside and show you guys how it looks like. So it looks like that inside, and then it comes with this with shoulder strap, and there's also side pockets as well. So the side pockets look like that. There's one on each side. It also came with another battery, and this one was actually packed in another box. A precision tripod. And the tripod, I can open it up so you can see how it looks like. The tripod comes in this nice bag, which you can carry just like that. And then inside you have the tripod. So the tripod looks like this. That is it for my unboxing of the Lumix GX85 kit. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up so I know which videos you guys are watching and which ones you guys like. Let me know what you guys got from Cyber Monday deals or any Black Friday deals. And if you do have the Lumix GX85 as well, let me know how you like it. I'll go ahead and post another video to let you know what my review of the camera is and whether I liked it or not. And also I will go ahead and show you how to put on the wide angle lens as well, in case you guys need help with that, because I was having a hard time trying to figure out why they sent this when it's only for the 55, 58, 52, and 49 millimeter lens, and that's why you needed the step-up adapter, which is this one. So I'll have that in another video when I go more into depth about the camera and show you guys the actual screen and everything. I am still getting used to it and learning about it, just because I've never had a Lumix camera. I've always had Canon. But if you guys are excited for that, turn on the notification bell so you guys can be part of the Baby Rose fam. And I will see you guys later. Bye!